Hello, it's Gem Games here once again, and on the last episode we created this starting animation that we cannot move until the animation finishes, like this. So it's like for maybe 5 seconds before we can start playing. So in this episode we will make some quality of life updates. So we are adding a variable that if you enable it, it will skip that starting animation. So when you try your game, it will be much faster to test things. And also we will add a variable that if you enable it or disable it, it will hide or unhide all print strings on every blueprint of your game with only one click. So yeah, let's get started. First, we want to go to the GM Zombies. And here on the GM Zombies, we want to just create a new variable. And the first variable, let's call it show print strings. Okay, let's create another variable. Let's call it quick start enabled or something like that. And let's move these variables to the top so they are the first variables on the list. So show print strings quick start enabled. Okay, now I compile and save, and what we want to do next is we want to create a new function which will be called print strings enable slash disable, like this. Okay, and here what we want to do is we just want to add a branch, so be a left click like this, and we want to get the show print strings variable like this. And on the true, what we want to do is we want to execute console command like this. And the console command is with a capital E, enable all screen messages like this. Enable all screen messages. Okay, now we want to copy this, Control C, Control V, and paste it to the false. And now we want to change this enable from the start to disable. So capital D, disable, like that. Disable all screen messages. Enable all screen messages. Okay, let's compile, save, and we can close this function. And here on the event graph, on the begin play, we want to actually move all these from this begin play and game start, all these nodes further to the right, like this. Okay, and what we want to do here first is on the event begin play, we want to call that print strings enable disable function, like this. Okay, now if we connect it to the here, and we just add some, let's see actually, if we have show print strings, it's false. Let's make it true. Let's see if we have some print strings on the screen. And actually we don't have any of those yet. So let's actually print a string. Actually, I will show you on another blueprint. You don't have to do this. I will just show you. So here on the PP first person character, let's just print something on the start of the game. So here on the begin play, let's print, printing, not like that. Let's print string. Okay, I will call it here on the start, and it just says hello. Okay, now if we play, we have this hello there on the screen, as you can see. And now if we go to the GM Zombies and we disable this, and we compile and save, and we play, hello doesn't appear on the screen because we disabled all print strings. Okay, so that works. The next thing, what we want to do here, actually I want to delete that node from here. And if you did try this yourself, you just want to remember to connect this, or we will have a lot of problems. So you want to connect the node where you, that you cut. Okay, let's compile, save, and we can close this. So here on the GM Zombies, the next thing we want to do, we want to add yet another branch after this. We want to connect it here, and we want to get the quick start enabled. Okay, and connect it to here. And if it's not enabled, we will connect to the we will connect the false to this function that we created on the last episode. Okay, like that. And if it is enabled, then what we want to do is we actually want to create a new function. Let's call it quick start. Okay, and here on the quick start, what we want to do, we want to create widget. Widget type is player HUD. And here on the game mode ref, we want to get self. And after that, we want to add it to the viewport. And after that, we want to call the increase round event. After that, we want to set mystery box numbers. And after that, we also want to set the mystery box location. Okay, it should look like this. We want to also enable this first here, this one. Okay, so create a player HUD, add to the viewport, increase round, set mystery box numbers, set mystery box location, like that. Let's compile, save, and we can go back to the event graph. And here on the, if the quick start is enabled, we want to call the quick start function that we just created. Okay. And also, what we want to do here now, we want to copy this quick start enabled with this branch, like this. And we want to paste it under here also. Actually, I will move it to the same position, like here. And we want to also connect the false to there. Because if we don't add this here, then the player HUD will call this function and we will increase round 2 times and do all of these things 2 times. So yeah, it should be correct now. So let's check. Quick start enabled, it is false. So let's try what happens. Quick start is not enabled. So we have this normal start. Actually, yes, we have this normal start. Okay, and now if we enable the quick start, compile and save, you can see we can move at the beginning of the game. The HUD slowly comes to the screen, but it doesn't matter. But yeah, you can move straight from the start. So yeah. So yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. I hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye.